In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 different ways to import your footage into your Premiere Pro project, and the workspace that I like to use when I'm starting out a new project is the Assembly workspace. So if you want your workspace to look just like mine, just click on Assembly up here in the workspace bar, or come up here and go to Window, Workspaces, Assembly. If it doesn't look just like this, just right-click on this and choose Reset to save layout. You import and organize your footage in what is called the project panel. So whatever workspace you're working on, it might look different somewhere else, but you're always going to be in the project panel when you're ready to import your footage, okay? The reason I like the Assembly workspace is that the project panel is nice and big. Okay, so the first way to import your footage into your Premiere Pro project is come to File, choose Import, you're going to locate your media, and you're going to choose Import. The second way, use a keyboard shortcut, Command-I, that will open up that exact same import. Locate your media, choose Import when you find it, okay. The third way, just right-click right in the project panel anywhere and choose Import. Again, it'll open up the same import menu. Number 4, super easy. The way that I do it most of the time is simply double-click anywhere in the project panel. That's it. Opens up the import dialog box. You locate your media and choose Import. Again, anywhere in this project panel, you just double-click and it opens up the import dialog box. And the number 5 way to import media into Premiere Pro. It's this simply drag and drop. Now you can drag and drop individual files if you just want to do one at a time, or you can do it the pro way and drag and drop entire folders, which is the best way to stay organized for me. I like to keep all of my video footage in one folder called Footage, and I like to organize them by camera. A couple caveats here. If I was to drag this entire footage folder, it's going to come in, but it's not going to organize them exactly like this. So you have to do the top level folders only. I would drag these 3 in. And the other thing is there must be something in the folders in order to import it into Premiere Pro. Okay. So when you're ready, you're just going to take all 3 folders. I'm going to drag it right into the project panel. You can see right here. And give it a second, and it's going to import it directly into your project with the folders intact. Now a pro tip here. I want to keep that footage folder just so I have it organized on my hard drive. All I'm going to do with all 3 selected. So if I drag it right on top of here, it's going to create a folder on top. I just named it Footage so it'll match exactly what I have in my hard drive. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.